Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find AirPods instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost AirPods quickly, start by ensuring they are charged. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have the app, you can access it via iCloud.com on a web browser. Log in with your Apple ID. Select the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for your AirPods in the list of devices. Tap on your AirPods to see their last known location on the map. If they are within range, you'll see a green dot indicating their location. You can tap play sound to make your AirPods emit a loud noise. Listen closely to help you locate them. If your AirPods are out of battery, you can only see their last known location. Walk to that area and search for them manually. If they were placed inside a case, remember to check it too. If you can't find them, consider retracing your steps. Pay attention to where you last used them. Ask anyone around if they have seen them. Once you find them, place them back in your ears to reconnect. If you still have trouble finding them, consider getting a Bluetooth finder for future use. Regularly check the status of your AirPods in the Find My app to avoid losing them again. Stay organized with a designated place for your AirPods when not in use. Establishing a routine will help you keep track of them easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.